Hello and welcome to the SupraScoop tutorial for Twitter search campaigns. Twitter search campaigns are used to find posts on Twitter that are tailored to your specific needs. You can do this by building your own custom filter. You specify words that you want in the tweet, if it should link somewhere, if it should have attached media, all kinds of different filters like this. And our system will give you posts on Twitter that exactly match your required criteria. So without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. To get started with Twitter search campaigns, you simply click on the Create button in the toolbar, and then you give your campaign a name. We're just going to call it Sushi. You can now enter phrases or words that you want to search for on Twitter. In this case, we're going to use craving and sushi. You can then choose what the matching conditions should be for these phrases or words, such as if all of these words should be contained in the tweet or any of them. We're going to choose all of these. Retweets are included by default, but you can exclude them by having this ticked. And if you only want tweets that ask questions, you can tick this checkbox as well. Geo-targeting is optional, but we're going to fill it in for this example. Let's say we want to filter our results to Cape Town. You simply search for the location you want to target, and then you pick from the list of results the one that best matches your criteria. In this case, I think there's only one. And then when you select the location, it will automatically fill the latitude and longitude for you. There we go. You can then choose the radius around that location that you want to search in. It's quite a large array of numbers you can choose from, up from 5 up to 150. And you can also choose the unit of measure that you want to search in. There are additional filters on this type of campaign. You can choose if you want to filter tweets with images, video, a specific mood, what language it should be in, if you want to filter in sensitive content or not. But these filters are also optional, and to show you that you don't have to fill it in, we are just going to ignore it for this example. When you confirm here, your campaign will be created and be available in the table of active campaigns. So as you can see, there are two campaigns here now. I've pre-created a campaign before this video was recorded, because these campaigns can take about 2 to 15 minutes for the leads to start coming in, and we don't want to wait that long in this video. So I've pre-created the campaign here, so we can skip that waiting process and go directly into the video. So as you can see here now, our leads are loading. These are all people that have posted something matching our criteria. If you don't have any leads, just keep hitting refresh until your leads pop up. And if after 15 minutes no leads have appeared, please make sure that your search criteria is correct. We've had a few cases where we've had no leads, and after editing our campaign to get the words and phrases correct, we've got the results working properly. So now you can pause your campaign at any time if you wish to stop new leads from coming through by clicking over here, but it will still keep your campaign active if that is what you want to do. Then what you can do is you can select one of these leads, click on them to see some metrics about this user and the location that the post was created in. And then if you decide this is the type of lead you want to use, you can engage with this person directly on Twitter, and you can send them a DM or reply to this post, whatever you like. And then if you go back here, you can basically use this to find it or build a specific intent for yourself if you want to find specific things on Twitter. So now, if you made a mistake while creating your campaign, you can simply select the campaign from the table and hit the edit button to tweak any of the previous parameters you entered. If you want to archive your campaign, select it from the table and simply click on the archive button. This will stop new leads from being produced and move your campaign to the archive tab over here. That's pretty much it for the Twitter search campaigns tutorial. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.